Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking.
Hi, friends. I'm Olivia.
And I'm David. How are you today, Olivia?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
I'm very good. Today we have a fun topic.
Yes, today we talk about books.
Books. Do you like books, Olivia?
Oh, yes, I love books. I read every day.
Wow. Every day? That's amazing.
Haha, well, maybe not every day, but I try.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this episode with your friends.
Yes, help us grow. We love you all.
So, Olivia, I like books too, but, I'm a slow reader.
That's okay. Slow is good too.
So, today we go to two places,
Yes. First, we go to the library.
and then we go to the bookstore.
Perfect. At the library, books are free.
Free! I like free things.
Everyone does. But at the bookstore, we buy books.
Yes, we pay money, but we can keep the books.
That's true. Okay, are you ready to learn?
Yes, let's start.
Okay, now we are at the library.
The library? It's a quiet place.
Yes, very quiet. We must speak softly.
Shh. Okay, let's speak softly.
So, David, what do you want to read?
I don't know. Maybe a storybook?
A storybook. Good choice. There are many types of books here.
Types? What types?
Well, there are novels, long storybooks.
Novels. Yes, they have many pages.
Exactly. And there are short stories too.
Short stories are easier for me.
Yes, they are shorter. What else? Oh, there are mystery books.
Mystery, like detective stories?
Yes, with crimes and secrets.
Cool. I like mysteries. And, what about funny books?
Ooh, comedy books. Yes, there are comedy books too.
I love comedy, books that make me laugh.
Me too. And there are romance books.
Romance? Love stories?
Yes, stories about love.
Aw, that's sweet. Do you read romance, Olivia?
Sometimes they're nice. And you?
Maybe not for me.
That's okay. There are also adventure books.
Adventure. Yes, with action and exciting things.
Exactly. And science fiction books.
Science fiction. That's about space and robots, right?
Yes, and the future.
Wow, so many types. Okay, but how do I find a book here?
Good question. We can ask the librarian.
The librarian, the person who works here.
Yes, let's practice. Excuse me.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a mystery book.
A mystery book. Good choice. Mystery books are on the second floor.
The second floor. Thank you.
See? It's easy. We just ask.
Yes, excuse me is very useful.
And we can also say, where is? Or, do you have?
Perfect. Now you try. Ask me.
Okay. Excuse me. Where are the comedy books?
Comedy books are on the first floor near the entrance.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Great. Now our friends can ask too.
Okay, David, you found a book.
Yes, I found a comedy book. It looks funny.
Great. Now, what do you do?
I take it home?
Yes, but first you must borrow it.
Borrow? What does that mean?
Borrow means you take it, but you give it back later.
Oh, I don't keep it forever.
Exactly. You borrow it for some weeks, then you return it.
Return? That means give it back.
Yes, so to borrow a book, you need a library card.
A library card? Do you have one?
Yes, I do. Look, this is my library card.
Nice. How do I get a library card?
It's easy. You go to the desk and ask.
Okay, let's practice. Hello, I want a library card, please.
Sure. Do you live in the city?
Yes, I do.
Great. I need your name and address, please.
My name is David.
Perfect. Here is your library card. It's free.
Free! Yay! Thank you.
See? Very easy.
Yes, now I can borrow books. How many books can I borrow?
Usually 5 books.
5. That's a lot.
Yes, but you must return them on time.
On time? What does that mean?
It means not late. You have 2 or 3 weeks.
2 or 3 weeks. Okay. And what if I'm late?
If you're late, you pay a fine.
A fine? Money?
Yes, maybe $1 per day.
Oh no, I don't want to pay.
You better return the books on time then.
Good idea. Okay, let's go borrow this book. Okay, Olivia. Now we are at the bookstore.
The bookstore. I love bookstores.
Me too. So many books.
Yes, here we buy books. We don't borrow them.
Right. We pay money and the books are ours.
Forever. We can keep them.
That's nice. But, books are expensive, right?
Sometimes. Let's look at the prices. How much is this book?
It's $15.
$15? That's okay.
And this one is $10.
$10. That's cheap.
And look, this big book is $30.
$30? Wow, that's expensive.
Yes, it's a big book. So, how do we ask about the price?
Easy. We say, how much is this book?
How much is this book? Got it.
Or, what's the price?
Perfect. Let me try. Excuse me, how much is this book?
That book is $12.
$12. Thank you.
Good job. Now, let's buy a book.
Okay, I want this book.
Go to the cashier, the person who takes the money.
Okay. Hello, I want to buy this book, please.
Sure, that's $15.
Here you go.
Thank you. Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
Here is your book. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Perfect. Very polite.
Thanks. Oh, what about discounts?
Discounts? Yes. Sometimes there are sales.
Sales. Lower prices.
Yes. You can ask, do you have any discounts?
Do you have any discounts? Good question.
And look for big red signs. They say, sale.
Ah, I love sales.
Okay, David, we learned a lot today.
Yes, we learned about the library and the bookstore.
At the library, we borrow books. They are free.
But we must return them.
Yes, on time, or we pay a fine.
And at the bookstore, we buy books. We pay money, but we keep them forever.
We learned many book types: mystery, comedy, romance, adventure.
And we learned how to ask questions. Excuse me, where is, or how much is?
Perfect. Before we go, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.
Yes, share it with your friends who are learning English.
We make new episodes every week.
Thank you for watching, friends.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.